Hello, guys, and welcome to our AI by Drinkizz session 4. My name is Vinci, and I'm here with Pierre to lead this session. So, just one information that I would like to let you know. Yesterday, we had some technical issues, so we cannot record yesterday training session. So now we are on. I'm with Pierre Bonnet to record this training session. So I hope that you will find it useful. After we will publish this training session on our YouTube channels. So I hope that it will be great for you to follow after. During this session, we will explore how AI simplify database creation to accelerate business growth. We will dive into practical use cases and see how moving from messy data storage to an organized database can help your business grow. By the end of this session, you will understand how AI can make database implementation easy, even without technical skills or a large budget. So now let's start with our training session. Here is what we will cover today. You will understand business challenges in the data management. You will learn how to overcome these challenges. You will know how to build your database application with AI in minutes. We'll dive you to the actions your business or yourself should take now. We will give you 10 minutes of question and answer. For any questions, as we are both here, so any question you can comment on our YouTube channels or Facebook when this video will be published. We will end this session with some AI news. So now this session will be recorded. So now let's move to another slide. I like to remind you guys that all videos that we will make during this AI training sessions, we will publish them in our YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So please, you can support us by subscribing to our newsletter and follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Facebook. You will be updated on our upcoming AI by Drinkizz sessions. So now let's dive into the first topic. First, let's look at the problems with messy data storage and management in business. This includes data that is not organized or connected in your organizations. Data is everywhere. In this way, you lose the control of your data. Unclear business processes, poor communication and teamwork. These issues can make it hard for your business to grow, adapt to new needs, make good decisions, and control your operations. They also lose time. So it's very, very important to fix these challenges to keep your business running smoothly. I invite you to read the article that we just released on our website. It will help to have information on how to reduce the danger. It was our frustration first during our digital journey. From this slide, I would like to show you that startups often make mistakes by adopting ERP systems in the early stage without good evaluation or processes. Here are some common issues include small budget, mismatch with business needs, lack of customization skills, long learning time. For example, at Drinkizz, we wanted to use an ERP tools like PIMCore to manage our data, but we faced business challenges in data management. Knowing this problem early can help with better planning and making things work better. Let's see how to overcome these challenges. To overcome these challenges, some soft skills are very important. Soft skills help in managing and organizing data more better, making us more productive. These skills are write, analyze, share, and innovate. Let's take a closer look at these skills. Now, let's see write skills, which include communication, documentation, and reporting. Good communication is very important for understanding business needs. It makes sure that everyone is on the same page in your organization. Keeping clear documents help manage business tasks and provide useful information. Reporting makes sure all changes in your organization are correctly updated in the business process. Following these soft skills help your team to have right information from right person. Improving these skills can make your team work better. The analyze skill include problem solving, evaluation, and critical thinking. They are very important as soft skills. You should use your critical thinking to find effective solutions that meet business needs. You should always evaluate your tools by asking questions like, does the solution have all the features we need? Or does the solution meet our requirements? So all of these questions will help you to evaluate your solutions. Continuously challenge assumptions and explore different solutions to improve efficiency. If you remember, I just share with you the article that we just released on our website. It will really help you about all of these things. Share soft skills are collaboration, knowledge sharing, and networking. They play important role in business. Encourage your team to share ideas and best practice. Promote a culture of knowledge sharing to keep everyone updated. Build relationships with other professionals to exchange knowledge and best practice. The same like we are doing right now. So we are sharing a knowledge which can help you to accelerate your digital transformation. The last soft skills you need to have is innovate. As I always say that I really love this one and all of us should have it. These soft skills are creativity, adaptability, and continuous improvement. They are really important. For creativity, for example, you should encourage creative thinking to find new ways and solutions. For adaptability, you should make sure your solutions stay flexible and can adapt with your business. In the early stage, your business will meet a lot of changes. So you should find the solution which can adapt with those changes. Always keep learning new skills to improve productivity. So now let's see about how to build your database application with AI in minutes. We'll use Knack. The question here is, what is Knack? Knack is a no-code database that allows users to develop and deploy database application without writing a line of code. If you don't know how to code or you don't have like technical skills, the good news is you can now build your application that fits your business with Knack. We cannot start using Knack without knowing why I should use Knack. Knack offers a no-code platform that is easy for non-technical users to use. Businesses can quickly create and use custom applications, making it easy to adapt to changes. As I explained before, the startup or business in the early stage, they meet a lot of changes. So you should find a solution that will adapt with the changes. It integrates with many data sources, making sure data management is smooth across different platforms. Knack's AI application builder lets you create database quickly in minutes. So in Knack, you have a Knack's AI application builder, which can help you to create your database application in minutes without having a technical skills. Just have a soft skills that we just present previously. In this slide, we will compare traditional database application creation with AI assistant creation. With Knack, based on the requirement, we can create the database from scratch, and it requires some steps in the process need to be considered. As you can see in this slide, document business required should be clear. Create logical data models based on this requirement. Manually create the database in Knack using these logical models. Schema model or physical data model is automatically created after tables are created in Knack. Manually create tables, which is time consuming. For example, creating 10 tables with 50 fields can take at least 1 hour. Pages creation also take times. Dashboard creation is another time consuming task. UX UI creation requires significant effort and time. Based based on the same requirements, we can create the database with AI and get the same result or get a draft. It will be your first version of database application. Using process with AI, we get the first draft in minutes based on our requirement, but still business requirement clearly. AI use the requirement to automate tables, physical data model, pages creations, dashboard creations. So now we can see clearly that AI reduces the time and effort required for each step. We show that how we can create the database from scratch and how AI assistant can help us to have a first draft of our database application. The image on the right shows what the logical data model looks like, giving you a visual representation of how organized and efficient your database can be with AI. So now this slide just show this is what the logical data model looks like. So this one you will write it manually or you will design it manually. And in a white part of the slide, this is what the physical data model looks like in Knack. So it can be called schema diagram. So far, we see that AI can accelerate the database creations, but understanding how to describe your application to AI is very important. You should clearly write down your requirement, analyze the scenarios, share the application requirement with your team, and keep coming up with new ideas. So all of these include the 4 soft skills that we just presented previously. This will help you create a good prompt. Let's see the benefits of Knack AI application builder. Knack AI create tables for you based on your needs. Knack AI manage data relationships automatically. Knack AI builds application pages, saving your time. Knack AI creates dashboard and interface for you. Knack AI can also automate this task, saving development time and making sure of efficiency. But you should understand that just using AI prompts is not enough for success. There are many steps to consider, such as a clear business need is very important to success with AI. Even with strong AI prompts, you should need a clear business needs. At Drinkizz, we focus on the 4 soft skills we've seen previously to make sure of the clear business needs and process. Having clear business requirements help AI create good solution for you. So now let's move to another slide. Here we can see how Knack AI application builder can efficiently manage delivery, orders, payment, and stock. This is a Drinkizz use case. So this is a Drinkizz use case about how to manage delivery, orders, payment, and stock. So we cannot just give you like theoretical explanation. We have also a demo which shows how Knack AI Builder can build automatically the database for you. It will give you the draft, which is the first version of your application. So here first, I give the description of my applications, and the AI of Knack will try to understand this requirement or descriptions and will provide me with the first version of my applications. And this is the application was created with Knack AI Builder. And you can see that we have the first version of the applications with tables, pages, dashboards, UX, UI. And then we also have the schema models, which is the physical data model. So you can see all of tables, they are in relationship or connected with each other. So it's how our system will look like. So this is a data model, physical data model of the application that the AI just built for us. So we'll move to another slide. Another example of the application built by AI can be the inventory and sales management. So we have the requirement or the description of the application, and then we provide this description to the AI. AI will be able to build the database application for us. So now the question is, we can use AI to automate tables creation easily based on the database application description. We can also use Knack AI Builder to create automatically data models, the data models that show how tables are connected to each other. Here pages are automatically created by Knack AI Builder. The pages here create the user experience for your live application. Knack AI Builder suggests also the dashboard to visualize your data. Here we can see that UX UI can be generated by Knack AI Builder. In this slide, we will talk about connecting WooCommerce with Knack. This connection centralizes data and makes our online shop better. By using WooCommerce, Knack, and other tools together, businesses can easily manage data, automate tasks, and interact with customers. That we call productivity for the company or enterprise. At Drinkizz, we use an AI chatbot in our online shop to make the customer experience better. For example, guide the customer on how to order the one drink product, which is organic natural energy drink product, from our online shop. To do this, we need to understand the needs and make sure everything work well together smoothly. The clear internal process and the document are very important to achieve this work. After, you can test our AI chatbot by asking some questions related to Drinkizz. I also put, as you can see, the link to access in order to interact with our AI chatbot. Businesses need to understand and use technology. With today's technology growth, it is very important to digitize business processes to be more productive. This is true for small businesses with a small budget. No-code and AI technology can help you grow because they are easy to use and don't need high technical skills. We have over 4 years of experience and are ready to help you. We offer 2 services. The first one is no-code and AI training session. From this offer, you will learn about no-code and AI from Drinkizz use cases. The second one is no-code and AI consulting package. You will get help to set up your business information system using no-code and AI. For more information about these offers, you can contact me or learn more from our online shop. I end my presentation on how AI can simplify database creation and improve business process here. If you have any question, as I said before, you can comment where the video will be published. You can comment there and we will come with answer. So here we'll have some question from Monsieur Pierre. So I let Monsieur Pierre ask the question.
Okay, so thank you, Vinci, for this presentation. I just have one question. If you can re-explain a little bit, what are the differences between using a no-code database alone on a no-code database with AI for the business users' point of view? Because for the IT guys, it's clear that we can save time and we have a better productivity because rather than creating manually the table, the pages, we can have an automatic generation based on the requirements. But for the business user's point of view, do you think there is also advantages for using a no-code database plus AI?
As I explained before, using Knack AI builder, it will help business to have a first version of the database application in minutes. So it will be the first version of your application. At 50 or let's say 70%, this application will fit with your expectation. So from this, you can also adapt following your business needs or your requirement. But at least at 70%, it will fit with your expectation. But using Knack from scratch, as I say, from my experience, it took time by creating tables. First, you need to understand the business needs. As I explained before, you should understand the business needs. From the business needs, you should come with the data model. logical data model. So it will take your time also to design this data model, following business needs. Once you will have your data model, you need to create this data model in Knack. And the creation of data model in Knack, it's a kind of tables that will create with relationships. It's also take time. Let's say that, okay, one table will have with 10 fields or 10 attributes. To create it, it can take, for example, 5 minutes. So let's say if you have 100 or 20 tables, so it can take like 1 week to do that. I give some information about this in my previous slide. So using AI will help you to move faster, as I say, and then you can adapt with your business needs. So I recommend people that does not. You can have your technical skills, but you can start with a first draft of your application, and you can adapt with time.
Okay, that's clear. Okay, so I can imagine this is more comfortable for the business users because they can have a smooth discussion with the IT team because they can all together iterate in a easier way by using AI than doing all the job manually, because we can accelerate,
Exactly.
let's say, the modification, and we can accelerate
Exactly.
the improvement loop to reach step by step the targeted solution. Okay, that's very clear. So thank you for
That's right.
this presentation. Yeah, that's great. Okay, and it is good news that the no-code tools like Knack database now integrate the AI directly because it level up this ability of these no-code tools that are already very agile, but that are becoming even more agile now thanks to AI.
So now let's look at some interesting news about AI that will help you learn about the latest changes and improvements. Staying updated with AI is important for finding new opportunities. I have one news which can help you to improve your productivity. Here it's my news. It's all about generative AI. Now we see that generative AI is changing many industries by making content, designing products, and writing code. A useful tool I found for improving productivity is U.com. With U.com, you can use it to improve search result and give creative job to this AI generative. You can take a look and test it. For sure, you will find it amazing. So with these tools, we have Smart Assistant. You can ask any question about this assistant to catch up in news, to search the web. You can also use OpenAI Chat GPT-4 models. So they have a lot of models that they implement, which can help you to improve your productivity. So you can, after this session, you can have a look and try to improve your productivity by using these tools. So this one was my news. I let Mr. Pierre share us his news.
Okay, thank you, Vinci. So I'll let you move on my slide. So this is a very quick information about the impact of AI on the job market, let's say. So this is AI on employability. So as you can understand with the presentation of Vinci, for example, in our IT world on data management, we can use AI to have a high level of productivity. So it means that there is some impact, or there are some impact on the job market. So I wanted to share with you this new report from the consulting firm McKinsey. They did an analysis about the impact of AI on the job market, and you can see some figure here that I use in recent video I release on my platform engage-meta.com, so you can have a look at this website to watch this video. And you can see that they identify 70% of chance of losing your job due to artificial intelligence. So there is a big impact in terms of, let's say, productivity, and in terms also of financial value on the market, because they have an evaluation about $4.4 trillion annually in value to the global economy. So a trillion is about 1,000 billion. So this is something amazing in terms of financial value. And the annually to the productivity growth is estimated at a percentage of 3.4. So this is something also that is really amazing. So in this new context where our job, whatever our education on our role will be more and more under pressure, it means that from an individual point of view, having capital will be necessary to have an alternative source of income to wages. Because if we have less job, we can imagine that we will have less salary. So we need alternative financial flow. And we can also consider that the governments over time will propose what we can name universal basic income, something like a backup solution. But it will take time, and it requires also a worldwide policy. So this is not a thing for now. So meanwhile, as I said, this is very important to have capital that generates interest. So the part 3 of this slide give a synthesis about what are important today for us to secure our life. Let's say it's first to start investing to build capital that will guarantee your financial freedom as an alternative, as I said, to the income from wages, and also to improve your skills to master AI. And this is, of course, the topic of our AI by Drinkizz regular sessions, because we really believe that this is a strategic domain. And these skills, as also Vinci explained this morning, during this session, let's say, are not only technical skills, or even they are more soft skills in particular, and this is the part 4 of this slide, the ability for an individual, you and me and everyone, to be able to articulate our knowledge, to clarify our knowledge, to share this knowledge with the AI, to train the AI with this knowledge. And then also the second point is to formalize powerful interrogation logic. This is the prompting, the ability to have a clear dialogue with the AI. And then it requires a good understanding, and this is my point number 3, about how to incrementally enrich AI training. So we need to understand how the AI works to be able to give to this system the best information. So the soft skills are super important. So if you have little time, have a look at this report by the consulting firm McKinsey to have an overview about this impact of AI on the job market. On my second slide is just a press release, an article. So I selected for you from the website fortune.com. This is exactly the same idea, but with a perspective that is targeted to entrepreneurs. So you can see that the title is Artificial Intelligence may also upend entrepreneurship as we know it. So let me read the quote. It is very meaningful, I think, if you are interested in entrepreneurship. So solopreneurs harm with advanced AI capabilities, will be able to execute on scale business ideas at an unprecedented pace and with significantly lower overhead cost. This shifts the traditional role of venture capital and challenges its very necessity. It means that now not everyone, but let's say anyone can become an entrepreneur, because with the AI system, we can really level up and implement our idea in an easy way than in the past. But it means that to succeed in entrepreneurship today, we need to master AI in the best way. And this is what we try, what we are doing in Drinkizz as a beverage company. We rely much on AI now to support our process, not only for the data modeling and data management, but also for some manufacturing process. We will explain that in our AI by Drinkizz sessions in the next couple of weeks. So it was my news for today, Vinci.
Okay, thank you. It's very interesting. We can see how AI is taking a good place in our society. So it's time for us to take the action. It's the way that we are trying to share the knowledge and help people to take action in all the learning, having some training in this domain. So thank you, Monsieur Pierre, for this news. It's very interesting. So thank you for being with us, with me today, Monsieur Pierre, for the AI training session 4. Let's say for people who will see this video, I think that you will find it very useful. So we will end our training session now. Thank you, Monsieur Pierre, for being with me today to share our AI.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Yes, thank you very much.
And we will have another session next week.
Next week, yes, exactly. Thank you very much.
By Drinkizz. Yeah. So stay tuned to our channel, LinkedIn, YouTube, to have the notification of this next session.
Exactly, yeah. So
thank you, Vinci. Thank you, guys,
week.
everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.